A large inlet of the South China Sea, the Lingayen Gulf stretches about 35 miles across Pangasinan and La Union provinces. Bombardments started when the U.S. 7th Fleet entered Lingayen Gulf from Pearl Harbor on January 6, 1945. The liberation of Luzon was largely fueled by General Douglas MacArthur's landing on the coastlines between Lingayen and San Fabian. Playing a significant role in the Gulf landings and World War II, Lingayen Gulf is more than the narratives of geography and the essence of history. Forever etched in the annals of history, the mere sight of the Lingayen Gulf symbolizes heroism beyond measure, an epitome of our forefathers' gallantry, bravery, and patriotism. In the Lingayen Gulf, the thread of time started to connect, a lasting heritage handed down to the younger generation onto the next.
I shall return.